It's okay. I just wanna give you some honey, okay? I'm coming a little bit closer. I know you will fly away. I know. You wanna go and I can put some honey in? Okay, you go and I put some honey in. Okay, I put honey in. Don't worry, I'm not doing anything. You can see what I'm doing, see? We are the one who put in honey in for you. It's okay. I'm not doing anything bad, okay? Here you go. You can come back now. Fly back, good one. Come on back. Yes, take the honey. See, I told you, I'm not lying. Good. Good for you, see? We're looking after you. When you finish, you go back and sit on the egg, okay? Yeah, you go back now and sit on the egg. Go. Not flying away. Why would you go up there? Oh, cleaning yourself. Okay, good. Go back to the egg. Yes, good one, good mama. That's nice. Okay, I'll let you. I'll just go in now. Leave some for your papa.